Just start yapping.
This is the boomstick. Created by Rory and myself, and hopefully it should work. This is our first test of it. Basically we have an aim in sight here, cheap set. The lighter goes in there. Once that goes in, pick up. Point to the camera. There's a rocket.
Yep.
Once that fires, fires the fuse and the rocket comes out. In theory!
In theory.
Right, test one.
To load it. Oh, sorry, the lighter.
It's more dramatic that way.
I'll stand sort of here, so if y'all want to stand back a bit.
Yeah,
don't
everybody
worry about
back. A little bit.
Should be fine. Moment of truth.
Good luck.
Yeah, everyone wish me luck quickly before I explode.
Point like towards that way.
That way.
Hopelessly.
Right, move, watch the back blast, people.
Is it lit? I don't want to look.
You should hear it.
Can you hear it?
No. Try it again.
Stop laughing.
Everything that you shouldn't do with explosives, you're doing it.
Where's the fuse? I think that's it.
You're retarded.
My rocket's upside down. Give me a second. That should be it.
Again, in theory, that should work.
Yep.
There we go.
Yes!
Oh crap, we just set fire to the hell!
Oh fuck! Yeah, and that's it.
Yeah, don't breathe in the smoke.
It's smelly.